Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food is a cultural phenomenon. Vibrant street food markets offer a wide variety of dishes. Hawker stalls serve traditional favorites like char, kway, teow. Fresh ingredients are essential for creating authentic flavors. Skilled chefs prepare each meal with precision and care. Multicultural food courts bring people together with shared love. Malaysian hawker food features bold spice blends and aromas. Singaporean cuisine showcases a blend of Chinese and Malay influences. Noodle and rice dishes are staples in both Malaysian and Singaporean cuisine. Chefs expertly combine ingredients to create harmonious flavors. Hawker centers are bustling hubs of activity and delicious food. From savory laksa to sweet desserts, options are endless. Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food offers a diverse range of noodle dishes daily. Chefs skillfully prepare laksa, a spicy noodle soup, with fresh ingredients always. Char kway teow, a stir-fried noodle dish, is cooked to perfection in minutes. Rice noodles are commonly used in Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food recipes. Spice blends, such as chili and garlic, add flavor to each noodle dish served. Hawker stalls showcase the art of noodle making with traditional cooking methods. Fresh vegetables and meats are added to noodle dishes for added texture always. Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food chefs take pride in their cooking techniques learned. Traditional noodle dishes, like Hainanese chicken noodle soup, are popular choices always. Food courts in Malaysia and Singapore offer a variety of noodle options daily. Hawker centers are bustling with activity, filled with the aroma of cooking noodles. Vibrant street food culture brings people together to enjoy delicious noodle dishes always. Rice dishes are the cornerstone of Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food culture. Flavors blend together in harmony, creating a unique taste experience always. Nasi lemak, a Malaysian favorite, is coconut milk-infused rice, served traditionally. Hainanese chicken rice, a Singaporean staple, is poached chicken with fragrant rice. Chefs carefully prepare each dish, using fresh ingredients and traditional methods. Spice blends, like chili and ginger, add depth to these iconic rice dishes. Hawker stalls offer a variety of rice-based meals, each with its own flavor profile. Malaysian and Singaporean cuisine is a melting pot of different cultural influences. Rice is often served with an assortment of sides, like fried anchovies and peanuts. The aroma of sizzling ingredients and steaming rice fills the air always. Food courts and hawker centers showcase the diversity of Malaysian and Singaporean cuisine. Each bite of these rice dishes tells a story of the region's rich cultural heritage. Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food is known for its bold spice blends. Fresh ingredients are carefully selected to create unique flavor profiles. Chefs skillfully combine spices, herbs, and chilies to make each dish distinct. Traditional cooking methods are used to prepare iconic noodle and rice dishes. Hawker stalls offer a wide variety of options, from spicy curries to fragrant stir-fries. Key ingredients like galangal, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves add depth to dishes. Malaysian and Singaporean cuisine is shaped by its multicultural heritage and history. Food courts and hawker centers showcase the diversity of local flavors and traditions. Each bite of these expertly prepared dishes tells a story of the region's cultural exchange. Vibrant street food markets and stalls are where locals and visitors gather to eat. Skilled chefs and cooks work tirelessly to create delicious, authentic hawker food. From char kway teow to Hainanese chicken rice, each dish is a testament to the region's culinary harmony. Vibrant hawker centers showcase Malaysian and Singaporean street food culture. Skilled vendors prepare traditional dishes with fresh ingredients daily. Malaysian char kway teow and Singaporean Hainanese chicken rice are popular choices. Aromatic spice blends and sauces enhance the flavors of each dish. Fresh noodles and rice are staples in many hawker center meals. Multicultural food courts offer a wide range of culinary options. Chefs expertly cook and plate dishes with precision and care. Traditional cooking methods are still used in many hawker stalls. Food markets and street food stalls add to the region's culinary charm. Malaysian and Singaporean hawker food is a true reflection of the region's harmony. Each dish is a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage and traditions. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.